Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting Cocktails. I'm your host Kelton, and today we are making a Bailey's Shiver. What you're gonna need for this drink, super simple, is Bailey's and ice. It's gonna be nice. So let's go for it. Take your handy dandy blender out. We're just gonna put about 5 or 6 cubes in there. Alright, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take 1.5 ounces of Bailey's. It's our only liquid going in, so you could do 2 ounces, whatever you want, whatever you're feeling. You can kind of add whatever you want to this too. You can do some coffee in there, get a mocha going, a little bit of chocolate syrup. You go with 2 ounces of Bailey's, and that's it. Now that everything's in the blender, we're just gonna go ahead and blend that for about 5 minutes. So let's get it going. Sweet. Alright, so basically as long as you blend it for about 5-10 minutes, you're gonna have a nice, smooth consistency. Shouldn't be any chunks left. And the last thing to kind of do is to get your tall glass out and simply pour that in. That looks fucking delicious. So yeah, and all that's left to do is just grab your favorite colored straw, whatever straw you happen to have handy. You can garnish this with raspberries, with mint leaves, really whatever you want. But that is the Bailey's Shiver. Let's take a sip. Oh, that's deadly. Looks so good. Wow. That is incredible. That's really good. So yeah, folks. Bailey's Shiver. Bailey's Ice. It's that simple. Go ahead and like this video. Comment down below what drink you want me to make next. Subscribe. Hit that bell icon to get notified. Follow me on Instagram at crafting_cocktails. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Cheers.